I got big news today.
Oh, it's still going.
Oh, I did my math, bro. I need to redo it.
I have officially been sponsored by BC Racing North America, and I cannot be more excited because this car, I put BC Racing coilovers on it, and I absolutely love it. And I'm beyond stoked, beyond honored that the fact that they've partnered with me and decided to sponsor my next build, my drift build. And it's something that I want to carry all the way through with everything that I do on this car. I'm super excited, and to have such a big company like that wants to support me, I can't thank them enough. Thank you to the team over at BC Racing North America. I appreciate you guys. Let's get into the video.
Same color t-shirt. What? 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real raw eyes. Real whole eyes. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' bite like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas.
I know those intake engine temperatures were great. Wow, we really got the John Wiley out here today at my chop shop. This is unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Unprecedented things are happening today. So we've done this before. This is nothing new for us. Well, it's very new for John. He looks a little confused over there, but this is not new over here. 3 bolts here. All right, like I was saying, come down here. We got our sway bar end link. So there's a bolt right there. We got these 2 bolts right here that'll disconnect it from the hub. And then I already disconnected the 3 bolts up here. So once I disconnect these 2 bolts, take out the brake sensor and the end link, it'll just all pop right out, and that'll be it. So I'll do that.
I think you're typing.
Yeah, you're right. No, here. Let's try this.
Should be able to put them down.
All right, so I got the first coil in on the front driver's side. It's literally super easy. It's the 3 bolts on top. And the way you want to know you're oriented is when you can actually read the letter that's on the top of the coilover, and it's parallel to the front, like the way the vehicle faces. So that's the front. You want to be able to read it like you're normally able to read it, and then the camber plate and the camber lines go across the car, not with the car. So that's pretty much it with that. Come down here, you have your ABS and brake lines. Unpop those, brake line right there. Then you have your 2 bolts right here and right here. Unbolt those, and then you unbolt your sway bar end link right there, and that's it. The coil will come out. Now I'm not going to bolt back in the sway bar end link because we do have adjustable ones that I'm going to throw in on the car after we set the ride height and everything's good. Then we can adjust the sway bar end links, and then we'll be able to throw those in, and the front will be done, and we'll do the rear. So they're actually working on the rear right now, and then once they finish that, we'll flip sides and we'll just keep going. It's pretty simple. The John Wiley, ladies and gentlemen, struggling back here. I brought John something he couldn't fix today. I think I won.
We got the John Wiley over here, taking the rear strut off, working that hammer.
Look at this man. Look at this man. John got his own little heater over here now. Got his little hammer out. We got my man Sean here helping out too. Wow. Wow, Sean, how you doing? Holding up well?
Good.
Wow.
Light.
Yeah. And then there's Lawrence. Man. Didn't take off the top 3 bolts, but down here, I disconnected everything else. I just have to take out the end link, and then I'll do that, and then this will actually all be able to come out, and then we'll go from there.
My God, Lawrence, now bounce.
Shake that ass!
Oh, we're getting somewhere. Okay, stop. It's out.
Alright, now what?
Are we good?
No. Bust my ass. Calm down. Oh, bro. Oh, shit.
Hey, Lawrence, great job, bro.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
How's it going?
I know, it's like your comments are about to be like, hey, yo, that nigga Lawrence ain't doing shit.
All right, so we got the rears on. We didn't adjust the height on any of it, and this is as it sits right now, and the car's not even on the ground. We just want to see what it looks like, but it's definitely gonna have to get raised up. This is too low for what I needed to do, but just for fun, the next event's not until the 28th. So I got time to raise it up, but just for fun, we wanted to see what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna do the sway bar end links, and then after that, we'll see what this looks like.
Sway bars 101.
Is that wrench yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so tight.
Oh,
There we go. Yeah. That's right height. Oh,
damn.
that's good.
Definitely gonna have to get raised with this wheel on a tire. For
Let's put
sure.
a little skinny tire.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, no, it looks good though.
Stretch.
Fuck no. It looks pretty good though.
Well, I mean, it's going to have to be stretched unless you're gonna poke a lot.
No, it's gonna poke. I mean, I don't.
No, it stands for Government Employee Independent Company something. That's
an
what it stands
acronym?
for. Yeah, it's an acronym.
I just
I thought it was named after the animal.
No.
I thought it was just the name of the gecko.
Right.
No. Let me pull it up on my.
Yeah. What
Okay.
the fuck?
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
This is a really intellectual conversation, man.
We have those around here.
Oh, you got dinner
Not one
with
of
a girl
those.
now, huh?
Man, I wish.
What you mean, bro? Who you got dinner with?
A friend.
All I
Casual.
know is that it is Valentine's Day.
Right.
Oh yeah.
You better be getting some cheeks, my guy.
Shit, pick that box up. I can't lose those bolts. How did you fit the impact on here? There's no way.
We cutting?
I could if I wanted to. I don't want to have to do that. Alright. Okay, this is whack. So I might have stripped the nut. I don't condone this, but we're gonna cut it off.
That's how the chop
Chop shop.
goes.
Oh, whoa.
And I don't have safety goggles.
Uh-oh. And in that chop shop mindset, the smoke.
It's about to get stupid.
Jesus, that's how you feel?
It's a Volkswagen.
This is what I call intercooling. Oh, got the helmet on deck. Safety.
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh. Is that a hockey mask or?
It's a lacrosse helmet.
Oh.
I did my math, bro. I need to redo it.
Okay.
Bro, I'll show you made that thing stay in place. It's not supposed to.
Damn right, John.
Gotta take it easy though.
Go to drift cars, I said. It's fun. You'll have a lot of fun.
If you can angle that way just a little bit, it should help. Cause I think the end of the grinder is just getting pressed against the sway bar, and it's not cutting anymore.
Right. Oh yeah.
But you're almost there now. Just gotta get some angle to it.
This little thing right here was what was holding us up. Cut the end link, baby. It's gone. Wheels are on, everything's installed, did a nut and bolt check, everything is tight. Now it's time to lower the car. I'd also like to apologize throughout this video if it seemed like the audio was pretty bad and I had to change it around. Your boy may or may not have plugged my mic into the headphone jack, so it's going off the actual camera audio instead of my mic. So there's that. But it's okay, because everything is done, and now it's time to lower it. And like I said earlier, we didn't adjust any of the heights because we just wanted to see how low it's actually gonna sit. Just for fun. I mean, like I said, my next event's not until the 28th, but at some point I will raise it up after the coils settle a little bit. But for right now, let's just see what happens.
Oh, it's still going. No fucking way. I can't get the jack out. Yo, this thing is fucking low. Jeez. Oh no. Oh no, I can't get the jack out. Oh my god, this thing is stupid low. Okay, so you see right there, Samantha, sitting nice and pretty, right? You know, decent ride height, looks good. Then we look at this. Lexi over here is sitting, honestly, it almost seems like they're sitting at the same ride height. Honestly, because where that bumper sits and where that bumper sits. But this car is definitely just a little bit lower, but at the same time, you know, you get the stock wheels, so the thing is that kind of affects the way it looks, but overall it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go take it for a drive, throw away some stuff, and I'll come back and I'll tell you guys how it feels. Okay, after the first initial drive, one saw Josue, hey Josue, but other than that, it felt great. The car felt super responsive, no body roll, no weird shaking bacon type of action going on. I felt super planted to the ground, which is what I definitely feel. And Samantha over there with the BR series, with the DS series, I definitely felt a noticeable difference when driving the car. One thing with the DS series, it has a digressive piston design, which gives you much more feel than what you get out of the BR series, because the BR series is a linear. This one, since it's digressive, it gives you more response at a lower piston velocity and at lower speeds, to give you a little bit more response from what the driver feels than what you would feel in like the normal BR series, which is more of like it is a performance coil, but it's also meant more for the street. But when you get into the DS series, you're getting a little bit more, it's for someone who's a little bit more serious about going to the track and stuff like that. You can still daily drive it, you can still drive it on the street, but this will give you a lot more feel in what you feel when you're going to the track, whether you're road racing, grip racing, drifting, or anything like that. And this will give you a lot more, what's the word? Response response. It'll give you a lot more response in what you feel while you're driving the car. And I definitely felt that, definitely noticed it, and it felt great. One thing I will say about the car though, right now, as it sits, it's too low. So I have to raise it up at some point. But what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna let the coil set for about a couple days, and then I'll come back and I'll raise the car up to a proper height that I actually like it at. Something where it's not ridiculously low, too low that I can't fit a jack under the side or anything like that, and that I don't scrape my exhaust. Because if you look right there, that's my exhaust. Camera's on the ground, and it's pretty close. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hit that like button if you really enjoyed it. If it was helpful for you, if you guys want, maybe I'll do a comparison between the BR and the DS series to really give you guys a much more in-depth comparison to what's going on between both cars. But other than that, thank you to BC Racing. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.